In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Behance project. We'll walk through two simple approaches. First, how to save any Behance project as a PDF using its link. And second, how project owners can grab original image files directly from the editor. I'll keep it clear, straightforward, and easy to follow. Start on Behance and head to your projects. Open the specific project you want to download, so it's fully visible in your browser. Once the project loads, go up to your address bar and copy the full URL. That link is what the converter will use to find and format your project. So make sure you are on the project page itself, not just your profile or a collection. Now, open a new tab and go to Lasso. Inc. On the site, choose the option labeled Convert a Project instead. This tells the tool you are providing a Behance project link rather than uploading files. If you are prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so the conversion can proceed smoothly. After that, paste the Behance project URL into the field. Give it a quick check for any extra spaces or missing characters. Then click Convert. The service will fetch your project and compile it into a clean PDF that preserves your images and layout as they appear on the page, depending on how many images are in the project. This may take a moment. When it's finished, your browser will download the PDF automatically, ready for viewing, sharing, or archiving. If you are the project owner and need the original image files, open the project editor for that project. Inside the editor, hover your cursor over an image and click the blue pencil icon that appears. From there, select Download Original. This gives you the full resolution file associated with that image. Keep in mind, this applies to images only and does not work for video files. If you don't see the option, make sure you are in the editor and that the asset has an original file available. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.